This is number 16 on data sufficiency. If car X followed car Y across a certain bridge that's a half mile long, how many seconds did it take car X to travel across the bridge? Alright, so this is like a distance, rate, time problem. And I've got car X and I've got car Y. And I'm trying to figure out how many seconds did it take car X to travel across the bridge. So I'm trying to figure out this time right here. Alright, so let's look at clue 1. Car X drove into the bridge exactly 3 seconds after car Y. And then car X drove off the bridge exactly 2 seconds after car Y. Okay, but that doesn't tell me the exact time for car X. Of course, this would be a half a mile, and that's a half mile. The distance is the same across that bridge no matter which car you're in. Only thing clue 1 tells me is that car Y is going a little bit faster. He's going 1 second faster than, it took him 1 second less than it did car X. Hope that makes sense. Alright, now let's look at clue 2. Clue 2, so 1 doesn't work independently. 2, car Y traveled across the bridge at a constant rate of 30 miles per hour. That means this would be 30. Well, all that does, I know that distance, I'm doing way too much here. Distance equals rate times time. So I know that D over R is time. So D over R, which is 1/2 over 30, would be multiply top and bottom by 2, because 2 over 2 is 1. So it gives me 1 over 60. 1 over 60 is my time for car Y. But that doesn't tell me anything at all about car X. And I wouldn't have done all this on the GMAT because it just gave me, it would just waste time. But I went on, it showed you what, knowing that the rate was 30 miles per hour, what that would give me. All right, so let's put both of them together now. Now, this 1/60th, that's in hours. Okay, so 1/60th of an hour is 1 minute. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. And I'm changing that to seconds because we've got clue 1 talks about seconds. And we determined from clue 1 that it took car Y 1 second less to cross the bridge. So we know that, I'm sorry, that was car X. So I know that if it takes car Y 60 seconds, it's going to take car X 1 second less, and so 59. But who cares? We're not trying to answer and get a number. We just want to know if we answer the question. So answer the question would be C if you put 1 and 2 together.